Before we kind of really jump on to understanding the strategies, I want to talk about two more aspects, which is why should you do trend following, right? And I kind of strongly propagate that, and this is one of the curriculums which we have included here. So you got to be understanding, why. As I've explained trend following, I've said it is advantageous. I've said that it's kind of, you are behind a big fish, and they move the market. You enjoy the ride, and all of that is great. But why? Let us kind of understand that bit of it, so that you clearly get the depth of this whole trend following as a system, right? So now, why should you do trend following? These are my reasons, and I'm sure it resonates a lot with you as well. My first reason is this is the easiest form of trading, right? And which requires no knowledge of technical analysis or fundamental analysis. That's the beauty of it, right? Just with the price action, you can kind of do this. This is a beauty. This is one of the strongest elements, right? Because of this, anybody can do trend trading. You don't even have to worry about all the big ocean of learning the technical analysis or the fundamental analysis. Just understand the system and simply follow through the trend following system, and you are good for life. Good for life. I realize that after spending so much of time and effort in the market doing a lot of things, but you don't have to kind of spend that much time. It's readily available right here. Right? That's the first reason. Second is very less time for execution and management. I've been telling you 15 minutes, maybe less than that. You will notice all these strategies, what you will learn, it will not take anything more than 15 minutes in a day. That is all it is. So if you can just devote that much and do it, it's a perfect passive income what you will be able to generate. So that's the second massive reason, right? Third, it does not require any kind of news, tips or calls or reports, nothing. You don't even need any support from us. But nevertheless, we will give you all the support, and you will be part of our community, and you will have all the masterminds and everything, right? But what I'm saying is, once you understand the system and implement it, that's the end of it. You don't even have to worry about what's happening in the market, what is going to happen, what is the news, what will this news impact, how will it impact? Absolutely nothing. Why? Because you have a system which is being deployed, which has already been tested for its success and fully calibrated. Once it's done, you simply have to deploy and live through it, right? That's the reason why this does not need any kind of news whatsoever. Next reason is always with the market and can be in the trend right from the beginning. If you follow the trend following and the system, it can put you on the right side of the market at the right time, right? So if you predict, we may be right, we may be wrong. It always involves probability, but here in trend following, no probability, because of which the system will take care of you being in the trade right at the beginning as soon as it can be possible, and then ride through entirely, because we don't take targets here. You don't have to take any targets, because you allow the market to go as much, and when the reversal happens, it recognizes the reversal and tells you when to exit if you're on long trade, and vice versa on the short trade as well, right? So because of that, you will remain in the trend right from the beginning. Next, low cost of trading given the number of trades will be very, very less. For the simple reason, in scalping, in intraday, in predictive, in swing trades, you got to take many trades, a couple of trades in a day, maybe in sometimes even more than that. That's how those systems are if you do it in lower time scale, right? Here, maybe on an average, I see, if you do on daily time frame, maybe one trade a week. If you do on weekly time frame, even lesser, right? And that is a beauty. Less trades, bigger ROI. So because of that, your cost of operations, cost of brokerage and everything will be even more lesser when you do trend trading. And next is it makes the maximum profit and has the highest success rate at 92% people. How do I say this? This is one, because of our experience, and second, when you understand the system and do your back testing, that will be part of the assignment which you will do it. When you do the back testing, you will know that all the trend following system is the one which has the highest success rate. What I'm saying here is, when I say 92%, it does not mean that you have only 8% losses. No. Or it does not mean of the 100 trades, only 8 trades lose money. No. What it means is you will have losses. Maybe you will have more number of losses than the number of profits. But when the profits happen, because you are following trend following and you are in the system, you will get to ride the big profits all the time. You remember, we had 4 outcomes. In that, it is in trend following where the big profits falls in your pocket every time. And because of that, in a particular year, we may have just 2 or 3 such big profits, but those will be so much. It will take care of all the small losses which will happen all through the year. And it will happen. That's how trend following is, and you will understand that even more as you start doing it. So given that this has got the highest success rate at 92%, no other trading system in the world has, people. And because of that, I propagate this, and I kind of recommend that whether you do intraday or not, whether you do options or not, that's fine, but you should and must be in a trend following system. And then the last reason is it's silent and very peaceful. Life is great and you can enjoy a freedom lifestyle. What does it mean? After 15 minutes, what is that you have to do? Nothing in the market. Simply nothing. Whether you trade with 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, it does not matter. For large funds, what we deploy, still it is just 15 minutes in a day. 15 and nothing more than 15 minutes. Because what do we do in the market? Either put a buy order or sell order. Right? Whether you do it for 1 script or 10 scripts or 15 scripts, the same time taken, right? And today's technology being so good, all of that at the fingertips, you can do it from your mobile and handheld devices. You don't even have to be sitting somewhere, right? Given that it is most silent and most peaceful way of trading in the markets. What is important in trading is not the strategy. I've always told you. It is how you implement that system and how you behave with respect to what the system is doing, how you respond to it and not react to it. So once you do that, you will see that your trend trading and your wealth generation is the maximum, right, in trend trading. Because of that, I say this is most peaceful. And this last reason is something which kind of motivates me, because I get to do all other things in my life which I love to do. Like I love to train, teach, I kind of do that, Personally, I'm more deep into a lot of healing modalities, and I've been learning healing modalities for the last many years, and I personally do a lot of healing modalities, and we use this healing modalities and energy aspects in our mindset coaching, what we do for our long-term programs. We do a lot of work with our students on their mindset and the energy aspects, and for all of that, I love doing that. I kind of keep learning constantly. That has got nothing to do with my chartered accountancy background. That's my personal interest. Now I was able to do it all because of doing the trend following. So it can happen to you as well. So these are the great reasons why you should be in trend following. Well, these are the reasons. If you're kind of resonating with any of these reasons, or whatever reasons you resonate, type in the comment which reason you resonate the most. Type in the comment which reason you resonate the most. Awesome. Thank you. Now, let us kind of give you some more reason. I want to give you some more reasons. Just kind of read this. The world's most successful and wealthiest traders are trend traders. This is a fact. I am not saying this. This is the hard fact in the world. You don't see an intraday trader being the most wealthiest. You don't see scalper being the wealthiest. You don't see a predictive trader being the wealthiest. No. It is always and always has always been and will be that the trend traders are the wealthiest. Right? I'm just not simply saying this. I have data to kind of prove this, and here it is. I want you to kind of look at this. Right? Here are some of the world's famous trend traders, and who have made millions and billions in their trend following systems. And that is the beauty, right? Each one of them, John Henry, Michael Marcus, Bruce Kauna, David Harding, Ed Seykota, Bill Dunn, Kenneth Chopin. These guys are gems in the market. Very less is known about them. Actually, very less, because they are silent and they're enjoying their freedom lifestyle. They're not bothered about creating any noise in the market, right? They just do the trading. They just make massive money, and after that, they kind of enjoy their freedom lifestyle, right? So this is one of the most important reasons why for wealth generation in the market, trend trading is the way to do it. So I wanted to share this before I really share the strategy, so that you know the depth of what you are learning here. It is not a simple thing, people. These are some of the systems which even these people trade is what you are going to be getting, which you have to simply stick on to and keep doing it, and consistently you do it. They did trend trading for their life. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. That's how they've lived their life doing trend trading. And have they not taken losses, they have taken massive amount of losses, but at the end of it, every year or every 2 years, they remain the profitable lot, always, always, always. And that's how it works. And you will see that when you do your back testing, you will get to see that. And because of these reasons, people, you should do trend trading. Hope you kind of understood why you should be part of the trend trading. And now that you've kind of gone through it, I'm sure you have your own deeper reason now. If you have a deeper reason, type in the comment, what is your deeper reason? Come in the next video and talk about the few terms what we're going to learn about or use in the trading, and then also